좌석이 마련되어 있습니다. 특히 겉으로 표시가 나지 않는 종이 약속 필요하기에 끝까지 밀어넣어주세요. 카드 거래가 끝났습니다. 카드를 가져가주세요. 거래가 완료되었습니다. 감사합니다. 아이싱 카드까지 카드를 전달 후에 끝까지 밀어넣어주세요.
Horrible weather. Horrible. But I got my coffee.
실시입니다.
Well, now my shoes are wet because for some reason I decided to wear these types of winter boots. I know I've said that I'm not gonna drink more coffee, but today is a hard day, okay? The weather, 4 lectures. I have like 4 lectures in a row and I can't survive it without coffee. So lately I've been like experimenting with what type of coffee that I like, and this is vanilla latte, like iced vanilla latte on oat milk. I'm trying to like drink more coffees on oat milk because I feel like it's the dairy part that upsets my stomach sometimes, and I switched from regular milk to oat milk, and it actually like it tastes better and I also feel better after that. And there's like a lot of coffee shops in Korea. Even when you arrive to the subway station that is close to our university, which is Ewha Womans University subway station, this path when you go from the subway to our campus is filled with coffee shops, and the competition is kind of crazy. And I know like a lot of people prefer like different types of coffee shops. I genuinely like Uzi coffee, which I haven't known about this brand. Like I first found out about it because one of my professors mentioned it in like last semester, and I thought, I need to try that, and I really like it. Price wise, it's like middle range, I would say. It's definitely similar to like Mega Coffee. Well, Mega Coffee I feel like is a little bit cheaper, but Mega Coffee is not great. Also on our campus, like on our campus ground, we have Starbucks at ECC, but I don't drink Starbucks. We have venti coffee at like Costco building, but venti coffee is so genuinely bad that like I deleted the app because I was like, I tried a couple of times. Their teas are good, like if you want a simple tea, but their coffee is not great. But Uzi, if you're on a hunt to try like a very simple medium price range coffee chain, Uzi coffee is pretty good. And I tried their pecan coffee the other day. It was really good as well. It has this little like nutty taste to it, but this is very simple vanilla latte on oat milk, and I needed it. I really needed it. But yeah, I'm so tired and it's raining and I haven't brought like a big umbrella. I brought my sun umbrella, which is small, which is why I'm kind of wet right now and my shoes are wet too. But I'm also really hungry and I bought a lot of food with me. I bought this new kimbap. As I was saying, this is So I just finished studying, right? It's like 7 p.m. and I'm so hungry. My hands are shaking, so I need to desperately have something to eat.
안녕하세요. 저거 혹시 시나몬 슈거 스티크 드실까요? 아, 네. 그거 주세요. 네.
4,800원이랑
네.
Love you, partner. But I am still me, so I'm only saying it once a decade. Love you, partner. Well, I'm gonna need that back.
I'll give it back to you after our next case.
There's gonna be another case, huh?
Of course. Because when you broke out of jail, you also released 200 highly dangerous prisoners.
Worth it. Any idea where you want to start?